Okay guys, so for our second problem, so this is an example of a influence line from where truss naman yung pag-uusapan natin. So for this, draw the influence lines for forces in member AB. So this member, AB, this AB, the BB, BC, and the other BC. Okay? So, ang una natin gawin is to make an influence line for the reaction at A or the reaction at B. But since yung ating mga members is mostly near lang kay RA, so yung RA na values yung kailangan nating makuha. Okay? So, ganun lang ulit, guys. Gawa ka dito ng... Maglagay ka ng 1 unit load anywhere here. And then again, coming from the leftmost end, let that distance as your distance x. So if this is your distance x, therefore, the remaining is 18 minus x. So yung distance ng kabila is 18 minus x. Okay? So this is applicable for the limits of 0 up to the distance of 18. Okay? So when you take summation of moment at point A, moment at point D, so we will have an equation for RA. So again, RA is always upward, opposing the 1 unit load, which is downward. So 18 RA is just equals to 1 multiplied by 18 minus x. Therefore, the equation for RA is just equivalent to 18 minus x all over 18. Okay? So, once you applied, so type lang natin sa calc 18 minus x over 18, calculate at a distance of 0, the value of your RA is equals to 1. Or the shape of the influence line for RA is just a triangular shape from where at a distance 0, kapag nandito yung 1 unit load, dito mismo, so 1 yung magiging value ni RA. So pababa siya hanggang sa karating sa kabilang dulo. Since yung load mo will be on top of your support D. So the 1 unit load will be carried by the support na RD. Okay? So that is 1. So align ko lang ulit ito. 1, so calculate. So, ano sunod na distance? 6. So, this is 2/3. Calculate. 12. Then 1/3 and then 0. Okay. So, meron na tayong line for the reaction A. Now, we will proceed with this one, AB. So, paano ba natin siya masosolve? Yung AB niyan. I think we need to solve first for the A capital letter B. Since yung AB mo will rely on the values of your AB. Kasi wala ka namang horizontal load aside from these two. Okay? So we need to solve first for your AB before we can solve for this AB, the small AB. Okay, so ano ba yan? Paano ba natin siya isosolve? So the slope of this is, ano ba to? 1, 1 square root of 2. Okay, so dito, pwede mong i-apply yung method of joint or method of section. So, ang gawin na lang natin, mag-method of joint tayo. Okay? So, for AB, dito ko na lang isulat, guys. So, for AB, so take joint A. Ano ba makikita natin kay joint A? So again, we have here your RA. So para dito guys, ang magagawa ko lang equation dito is yung at x is equals to 0. Okay? So ano makikita mo kapag yung x mo is 0 or the 1 unit load is located at 0. Ipag ko lang yung api ko. So, ibig sabihin nandito yung 1 unit load mo or directly above here. So, 1. And then, So, ano ba natin siya i-assume? Assume muna natin siya is in compression. Okay? So, this is your AB. And this one is your AB also. Okay? 1 square root of 2. So, when you take summation of forces ng Y, assuming downward direction as positive, take summation of forces ng Y equals to 0. Then, the equation will be, AB. So, AB multiplied by 1 over square root of 2. And then, equals to RA minus 1. From where yung RA is, ito yung equation niya. So, 18 minus x all over 18. And then, minus 1. And then, multiply natin ng square root of 2. But, you have the option guys of, di ba may value tayo ng RA dito? And yung ating limits naman is 0. So, pwede mong gawin, kunin mo na lang yung value ng RA dun sa point na 0 siya. Therefore, so 1 minus 1 obviously equals to 0. Therefore, yung value mo ng AB, if yung iyong 1 unit load is at a distance of 0, so the value of AB is equals to 0. And then, if you take summation of forces ng X equals to 0, therefore, AB is equals to, so multiply natin ito ng 1 over square root ng 2 is equals to AB. When AB is equals to 0, therefore, yung AB mo is equals to 0 also. Okay guys, so ito yung magiging itsura ng diagram mo. So, parehong yung AB at AB mo is equals to 0. Now, this time, ang gagawin naman natin, so for AB and AB lang din, but this time, ang distance mo, it is at distance na, ano ba to, 6 up to the distance of 18. So, yung 1 unit load mo is traveling na papunta dito. Therefore, the diagram will look like something like this. Okay? So, ang mangyayari lang dyan, mawawala lang si 1 unit load mo. Okay? Kasi nga, nag-travel na siya papunta ay 6. Papunta na siya dun. Okay? So, hindi na siya makikita dito. So, ayan na lang. So, we have AB. Then AB. Okay, so gawa lang tayo agad ng equation. 1 square root of 2. So, when you take summation of forces of Y equals to 0, therefore, AB, so 1 over square root of 2 is equals to RA, from which yung RA mo is 18 minus x all over 18. Therefore, AB is just equals to 18 minus x all over 18 times square root of 2. And then when you take summation of forces ng x equals to 0, so the value of your AB, yung small AB mo, is equals lang sa AB multiplied by 1 over square root ng 2. Tama ba? Okay. So, ayan. So, kung i-plot mo lang siya, so start naman ng 0. So, unahin natin itong A capital letter B. So, the equation will be 18 minus x all over 18 times square root of 2. Then, calculate. So, we are at the distance of 6. So, 2 square root ng 2 over 3. So, that is positive. Or that is equals to 0.9428. So, ano magiging itsura niya? Pag ganito. Oops, sorry. Palitan ko na lang to. Ito yung magiging AB. And then this one will be your A, small letter B. Then calculate, this time at a distance of 12. Ang sagot dito, 0.9428. Then ito. So, 0.4714. Calculate. So, it will be going down to 0. Okay, so ito yung magiging shape ng iyong AB. And then next will be, kaso compression to, dapat pala baligtad. AB. Baligtad. Guys, dapat to nasa baba. Nasa baba kasi compression siya. Ganito pala siya dapat. .9428 and then 0.4714. So, ang gulo. Basta nasa baba siya since compression siya. And then for AB, yung small letter AB, so that is in tension. So ang gagawin mo lang, yung mga values mo ng AB, multiply mo lang ng 1 over square root ng 2. Or itong equation na to, saksak mo dito, cancel yung square root ng 2, make square root ng 2 sa ibabaw, meron square root na sa ilalim, or AB can be written as 18 minus x all over 18. Okay, so tingnan natin. So again, calculate. So start with 6, 2/3. So that is in tension, tama ba? So that is 0.6667. Calculate 12. So magiging 1/3. Or 0.3333. And then from there magiging 0. It's negative, it's positive. Okay, so we're done with these two. Next will be for the member BB. So ganun lang din guys sa BB. So but by analysis alone, kung titingnan mo kasi mabuti yung joint B. So joint, ito na lang as joint B. So, other than at a distance of 6, ito kasi yung magiging BB mo eh. So, diba ito yung B, B. Si AB mo is in tension. Ito si AB, and then ito si BC. Okay? So, other than distance 6, so at x is equals to 6. Ang makikita mo kasi, di ba, yung pag sinabi mong nandun sa 6 yung ano mo, so ayan yan. Okay? Nandun yung 1 unit load. And then other from 1, di ba, ang meron ng vertical component na forces yung BB mismo. So if x is equals to 0, ano mangyayari? Hindi mo makikita si 1 kasi nandito pa yung 1 unit load mo eh. Same as for at a distance of 12. Nandun rin yung 1. And at a distance of 18, nandito yung 1 unit load. So, makikita mo lang si 1 is kapag nandun siya mismo sa 6. Okay? So, in short, so since this is in tension, ganito lang yung maging shape ng kanyang influence diagram. Okay? So, tinitigan mo lang, ayan, meron ka ng influence line. 1. Okay, so, by inspection, other than x is equals to 6, rest has 0 value. Okay, so ayan. Diba? So, parang ano lang din siya, application ng method of joint and method of section. Okay, so next will be for the member BC. So, ayan, good. At least meron tayong mapapakita na ang i-apply nating method is method of section. So, ang gagawin ko guys, hahatiin ko siya dito. So, ito siguro yung capital letter C. Ayan, lakayan ko na lang para hindi naaalip. Okay, so this one, let's say this is our section 1. So when you consider section 1, section 1, ano makikita mo? So, ayan. So again, i-assume muna natin siya intention lahat. So this is BC. And then this is small letter C, and then this one is your BC. Okay, so ito yung iyong RA, kung saan yung RA mo, ito yung mga value, or kung gusto mo, again, ilagay mo lang yung equation na to. Wala magiging problema dyan. And then, ito si BC, again, the slope is 1 square root of 2. So, ito is applicable for, so, apply ka ng 1 unit load. Okay. So, 0 up to the distance of 6. Kasi, ayan dito mag-apply yung 1 unit load. Ayan. So, once na lumampas siya dito, hindi mo na siya makikita. Nandun na sa kabilang side. So, yon will be at a limit of 12 up to 18. So, unahin muna natin to. So, mangyari lang dyan, so, meron ka ditong 1 unit load. Ayan. So, this is X. And then ito is at a distance of 6 minus X. Okay, so ganun lang ulit. Ano bang gusto nyong gawin? I think mag-summation tayo ng forces ng Y, okay? Assuming downward direction is positive, take summation of forces ng Y equals to 0. So the equation will be BC multiplied by 1 over square root of 2 is equals to RA, the 18 minus X all over 18, and then minus 1. Okay, so ang mangyayari lang guys, kapag i-consider mo yung kabilang side, so that is from 12 up to the distance of 18, ang mangyayari lang dito, mawawala itong 1 unit load. Or the equation will become, so matatanggal lang to, itong part ng equation na to. So take summation of forces Y again, considering downward direction as positive. So BC times 1 over square root of 2 is equals to 18 minus X all over 18. Okay? So, kapag i-drag up mo yan, so transpose mo lang, ganito yung magiging equation natin. So, 18 minus X over 18 minus 1 and then times square root of 2. So that is negative 0.9428. So dito kasi, inassume natin siya in tension, therefore, hindi pala siya dapat tension sa point na to. Gawin muna pala natin 0, calculate. 0. So 0, start here, then calculate 6. So the answer is negative 0.4714. So, dapat pala siya is in compression. Ayan. So, 0.4714. So, 6. And then, yung sunod will be this one. 18 minus X all over 18 times square root of 2. Then, calculate. So, distance na 12. So, magiging positive 0.4714. So, magiging tension na siya pagdating dito. Kapag yung 1 unit load mo is traveling na dito sa 12. So, 0.4714. Then, calculate 18. Okay, so, magiging 0. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nandito pa lang yung load mo, compression pa yung nararamdaman ni member BC. And then, habang lumalapit siya dito, nagiging tension na siya. Okay. Nasaan ba yung BC? Ito. So, tapos na tayo dito. And last will be for this BC. Okay guys, yung BC kasi, kung titingnan mo, wala namang, though, may effect yung 1 unit load. But kung titingnan mo yung joint B, ito. Di ba kung ano magiging value ni AB, siya rin magiging value ni BC. Eh, nasan ba yung AB natin? Ito. So, ang BC mo, by analysis, ayan lang din yan. So, your BC is same as AB. Ito. So that is 0.667 and then 0.3333. Okay, so that ends our discussion for the example of a truss problem. So let's proceed with the next problem. Another truss problem, okay? Okay guys, so i-share ko lang ito. Yung member BB mo kasi, itong member BC mo pala, there's another way of solving BC. Di ba ito? So di ba yung unang solution natin, we say that yung BC is same as for AB, which is correct naman. Ano? So ang ginawa ko, I do a checking para masabi na tama yung principle or yung concept ng application ng method of joint and method of section. Pwede mong apply yung mga principle na yun. So, ang ginawa ko guys, di ba nag-section 1 ako dito? So, ito yun. Ang ginawa ko, nag-moment ako dito kay point B. Tama? Para yung BC mo, yung big small letter C and yung capital BC is concurrent. So, wala siyang moment arm. So, ang mahahanap nating value is yung small letter BC. Okay? So, again, nag-apply ako ng 1 unit load kung saan yung distance niya is from 0 up to the distance of 6. Okay? So, dun mo makikita yung 1 unit load. So, from here up to here. And then, yung sunod na limit is from 12 up to 18. Ibig sabihin, ang mangyayari lang, mawawala si 1 unit load. And siya yung gagawin mo na equation. So, with that, assuming na merong akong 1 unit load at a distance of 0 to 6, so, di ba, when you take summation ng moment at capital letter B, so, assuming counterclockwise moment as positive, so we have 6 multiplied by BC, small letter BC, is equals to RA, ito, kung saan yung RA mo, ito yung value niya, 18 minus x all over 18, multiplied by the perpendicular distance na 6. And then minus yung 1 times 6 minus x kasi again, lagi na ito is distance x. Okay. So ayan, so nung sinalpa ko siya, ito yung nakuha ko mga value at a distance of 0 to 6. Okay? Which is correct naman, ano? Kasi yung value ng AB pareho lang dapat sa BC. So ito lang din yung lumabas. And then from distance of 12 to 18, ang mangyayari lang dyan guys is tatanggalin mo lang yung 1 unit load mo. Or dito sa equation na to, mawawala lang tong part na to. Okay? Just this one. Pare ko lang to. Dito 16. 6 lang yun. Okay? So, with that, napalabas natin 0.3 and 0. So, any of the two solution by inspection or kung gusto mo gawa ka ng equation, walang problema. Kasi pareho lang sila ng sagot na lalabas. Okay? So, again, see you on our next video.